Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Aulia and today I will be sharing several Christmas DIYs. But before we start, if you have not subscribed, I am inviting you to be part of my channel. And don't forget to activate the notification button. Let's go ahead and start with DIY number one. I have this piece of wood that I found. I am going to be painting it with acrylic red paint, just like you see here. I have these two paint sticks that I'm going to be cutting to size, so I can go ahead and glue it to the bottom of this plank, which will be a house. And I went into my Cricut Joy and I went and I printed these two black Christmas trees. I glue them in, and I'm also putting this little bitty wreath on top with a little bit of hot glue. And I also have these little red berries that are also going to go onto the wreath, just like you see here, with this beautiful bowl. I made that off camera because you guys know I am not good with bows. And these little wooden sticks, I went and I painted them off camera, and now they're gonna go right here in the bottom of this house that we are creating. And I'm distressing this more wooden sticks. This is going to be the roof. I added some water to this brown paint. And here we are. We're just gluing it on top, trying to make this look like a house, just like you see here. And these little bitty trees, I'm going to glue it in front of this little house. I bought this pretty Noel sign at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be gluing it with a little bit of hot glue in front. And I have some jute twine that I will also be wrapping the bottom of this house, only because I can see a little bit of that hot glue sneaking through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it a couple of times around it, so like that it could look more finished. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. And I added a little bit of white only to make it look like it was snowing. So I have these two Christmas bells that I will be painting with this Rust-Oleum black paint. Now that they're dry, I'm going to remove this top part, and I have this rope that I will be tying it to. And as you can see, the reason why I put that jute twine around it is because I have this beautiful ribbon. I'm going to be making a bow with it and using some more jute twine, making a smaller bow and sticking it on top and then gluing everything together. And like that, the bells won't move because it's already tied with that jute twine. I also have this red pine cone, and I will be tying it right here. I think it's pretty. And this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I am loving it. I really do like this DIY. What do you think? And DIY number 3. I have this beautiful ornament from the Dollar Tree. I will be painting it white. Using the same ribbon from DIY number 2, I'm going to go ahead and glue this across this ornament, just like you see here. And using this peace sign, I will glue it to the ribbon. And I also have some greenery from prior projects that I had. I will also put it on the top of the ornament with a little bit of jute twine as well, as you can see here. I'm going to use the snowflake, and I am going to put it below the ribbon. And I also have some glittery glitter, if that's what you call that. And I will be putting one little glitter to the center of that snowflake. And this is the way it came out. I hope you like it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your families and friends, so like that they can also see this video, and comment and let me know which is your favorite so far. Don't go anywhere, we have another DIY. Continuing with DIY number 4, I have this beautiful bottle. And I am going to go ahead and use my favorite paint, which is white from Rust-Oleum. Now that it is completely dry, I'm going to start embellishing it. I have this little snowman from Dollar Tree. It came several in a package. I'm going to glue it right over here. I'm going to continue to embellish it. This is a very quick DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. I would love for you to be part of my channel. And don't forget, leave me a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite DIY. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.